What's up, baby girls and boys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Felipe Charming. In this video, I just did my everyday no makeup. This is how I do my makeup to work. It's on a daily basis. I'm currently late as hell. I'm still not late, but I'm leaving my house later than expected. Yeah, just go to school and work on time, kids, please. I kind of like chit-chatted with you guys a little bit, but it's kind of all over the place. But I hope you guys enjoy this. You're gonna be seeing me here a lot more often than you have been seeing me. And yeah, I'm super excited about that, and I can't wait to like kind of get into the swing of things. Try to follow me on all my social media. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want to hang out with me while I get ready, then keep on watching this video. Pull up. So I'm doing this video because I feel like I know I have been gone for a minute, and I don't want you guys to drag me. I haven't really spoken to you guys in the longest time, but I'm currently getting ready. Oh, hey, plane. Disrupting the process. But I'm currently getting ready for work, and I just wanted to get ready with you guys. So I just moisturized with the Neutrogena Oil-Free Moisture Combination Skin Moisturizer, and now I'm priming with the Baby Skin Primer. I don't do a full face work every single day, and I think people really get that confused. So I'm going to be starting with brows today, as per usual. And I broke my little hand mirror. If you really wanted to see like a detailed version of my no makeup look, I did a video a couple months back. And don't mind my pimples. I have been falling asleep in my makeup, which is the only way that I break out, literally. Because if I don't fall asleep in makeup, I don't really break out. Whatever. So I've just been, I always get like babbly and all over the place when I do these kinds of videos, but that's life. So then I conceal my brows using this Conceal Correct Contour Palette. And I use this darkest shade on a daily basis just because I don't want my brows to be too much at work. And I literally just take the actual concealer and then I do the same thing on the other side. Hey, I'm actually not doing horribly with time. And then plus, I'm trying to go to McDonald's and stuff. But anyway, so I'm in a new work environment. It's cool. The people are nice. I guess I have like a minor issue with certain things, like people ask too many questions. I feel like because of how it's brought up, I kind of just accept people and things as I see them. I don't really ask too many questions. I don't ask certain things. People ask me stuff like, do you do your brows every day? I guess they kind of, in a way, there's probably just people wanting to like know whether or not I get them tinted or if I actually do them every day. But I feel like if that's your question, then ask that question. Don't ask me if I get them done every day and then like there's no follow-up response to that answer for that question. And I do my brows first because they take me the longest, by the way. So I'm going back to like an uber natural everyday makeup look because I feel like lately I've been kind of pulling it. Because I like, let me put it into perspective for y'all. If I have never had like a conversation with you like one-on-one, or we not cool like that, I feel like there's no reason for you to be in my face asking me certain things. And it's not what you say, it's how you say it. And it's not everybody. And you can tell, I feel like you can tell whether or not I'm annoyed by your response or if I'm referring to you, because you'll get that vibe from me. But it's just certain people or certain responses I get, and it's just like, that's rude to ask me. Like, cause it depends on the forum too. Like if you're asking me one-on-one, that's one thing. Or if it's like you in like a circle of people that I'm cool with, then that's one thing. But if it's like we're in front of a pool of people that I don't know, haven't spoken to, or even if there's just one person, like everybody doesn't know that I know makeup is makeup. So the fact that you're pointing that out in front of strangers it's a little rude. Like it is. Like, sorry to break it to you, honey bun, but it is. And then no one is serious. Because people ask me, do you do makeup? Can you do my makeup? And I'll tell them to DM me on Instagram. Because I don't like giving out my phone number. I don't. Because people are messy as hell. People cannot hold water when you tell them things. And yeah, that was shade. But it's whatever. It's neither here nor there. But yeah, that's life. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna finish my brows like without talking real fast because I feel like that is really slowing down the process. And also, this lighting looks amazing on camera, but I can't really see. And let me not even say amazing. I'm really pulling it. Bitch, I'm starving. I'm not gonna eat anything but a yogurt before work. Brows done. Let's kind of move on topic-wise. I have been, yeah, I'm gonna conceal my edges because I do that, people. Y'all, I have to be out of here in 10 minutes. And I have about, yeah, I would say 10 minutes worth of work to do, but that's bad. LA girl. And sometimes I'll conceal my face, but I feel like foundation just wears better. So I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. So I take like a pump, sometimes a pump and a half, depending on how I feel. With no makeup, really all I need is a pump. So I literally just focus this on like my problematic areas. So I'll dot right there, I'll put on here, I wear my glasses and stuff. Used to like destroy my face. And then I'll do my under eye a little bit. And then I do my under eye. Mind you guys, I'm the only person here, so what's T? Yeah. And then I'll do like my little mustache area, because you know when you put a razor to the skin, it's like over, bitch. I need to get LASIK, and then I need to get, not LASIK, yeah, LASIK. LASIK, laser, whatever. And then I kind of do my facial hair foundations very similar to how I do it when I'm wearing a full face. To some people, this is like makeup. To me, this is no makeup. I'm wearing makeup, it's just not a full face. So therefore, anyway, so I just blend this out, blend my edges out. See, it is 38. I am officially running into late tardation. Okay, and hopefully there's no traffic. I just feel like certain people I can trust, other people I can't trust, and it's like, I don't know, I don't want people to feel like I am their little accessory, their little Cupid doll, like, oh, he's gonna do my makeup and be my little helper. Like, no, absolutely not. And then when I've known you for 30 seconds and you want to be on my channel, and it's just like, no. No, that's not how this works. Like, if you look at my channel, you can see that I'm barely on my channel. So what makes me think that you're gonna be on my channel? No. Not like that, but like that. So I literally just asked one of my close friends to be on my channel, and we're supposed to be doing like some type of makeup challenge. I'm supposed to be doing a mukbang with my cousin. That didn't go as planned this weekend. I'm coming back, you guys. This is like, I overthink things, so I'm posting this video even if it's trash, even if I'm not, it's not gonna be trash, I know that for certain. But even if the conversation is just like all over the place, like I just kind of want to be on my channel all the time. I want to be that, like, just so I can respond to comments and in videos like literally within the same week. Like, and yes, that doesn't mean I want to post multiple times in 1 week, because I have been gone because of like just not being in like the most positive place, and then I didn't want to share those feelings with the internet per se. So I just, you know, certain things that I kind of just want to heal from. I don't want to come on the internet and exude that or kind of give that energy to other people. That's not the wave at all. Like, I want to be on my channel and be positive and be uplifting and inspire others to like kind of, you know, do what they want to do. Like, fuck society, fuck societal views, like F all that. And that's where the accent came from. But like, that's how my channel started. My channel started as a safe haven for people who are different, and I kind of want to be that, because when we look at the media, Black women complain about how they don't really see themselves. How do you think we feel? How do you think we feel? Like, yes, gay Black boys, we don't really see ourselves, and if we do, it's like a caricature, it's a joke. It's like, I don't want to be perceived as this ghetto joke. I don't want to be that, because that's not who I am at all. Not that I'm not saying it like in a bad way. I'm not saying ghetto people or people who consider themselves ghetto or hood or whatever. It's just not. It's not a bad thing. It's just not me. Wow, this wine has been sitting here since last night. Maybe I should have a sip before. That's not good. I'm gonna take this powder contour kit and just seal the deal with this. I'm gonna take this darker yellowish undertone shade and set my under eye. Just to kind of make me look like I know what sleep is. But yeah, I just want to be that for like other little... My goal in life is, for one, to be the person that I needed growing up. And that, yes, aesthetically, socially, morally, all of it, like that is literally my goal in life. And not just that, my end goal with my life is just to be happy. I seen this picture that my friend MJ posted. This post, oh, I take this shade. You guys have seen my tutorial. I take this shade and just kind of like bronze my face up a little bit. But this is still not a full face, people, because there's not foundation on my entire face. That's why this is not full face. And I bronze to add dimension, and I highlight my under eye to also add dimension and make me look like I know what sleep is. It was a picture of a little girl. It said, "I hope I never die with creativity still left in my heart," or something to that effect. So my goal in life is to express all of my creativity too. Like, that is the goal, because I just don't want to leave here without fulfilling my purpose. Like, that's literally where I'm at in my life. I want to be happy. Like, I'm happy again, but I want to be fulfilled. That's what I mean. I want to feel fulfilled. And right now, I also take this on my eyes when I'm rushing too, by the way. Same brown shade, and then sometimes I'll go into a deeper. I keep doing this as if, I mean, I kind of can. And then I'll take like this and then pat that a little bit and then literally just like dot it. It's a mind thing. Like, it doesn't do much, but I like to add to my contour. And honestly, I'm about to say F all that and add a little bit of highlighter. I don't like my highlighter, but I have so much more content I want to do for you guys, with you guys. Try to ask Instagram as much as I can, like what you guys want to see. I like to post content that you guys like to see. Oh, and then I set my whole face with the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. I'm doing that like that's in focus. And as you can see, it's like down to the pan, so I kind of need another one like now. Technically, I do wear makeup on my entire face because I do put the powder over my face. The powder doesn't really give coverage. It just kind of like locks everything into place. Oh, and then I do like to take some setting powder and also like set my face. And I'll go back in with the Sephora Micro Smooth and then go back over my face. So, yeah. All in all, I just want to be everything the little boy in me needed when I was growing up. I just want to be that, professionally speaking. And I want to express everything that I want to express. I don't want to feel like I have to limit myself. I don't want to feel uncomfortable. Like, you know, it's so many things. Like, I have allowed people's perception and I've allowed societal views to kind of hinder me in a lot of ways, and looking at me, people would assume that's not the case, but I won't do like looks before work, like lashes and everything before work, just because I don't want people to look at me crazy. And I know, like, I'm sitting here with midnight gray contacts on, which this whole contact thing we're gonna have to talk about too. So yeah, that's my makeup, and then sometimes I'll do highlighter, but today I'm gonna omit the highlighter. I'm just gonna look regular. Oh, and then the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, I got this from Ulta yesterday. Was that yesterday? Saturday. Yesterday was Sunday. Today's Monday. And then I just set my entire face, and that's pretty much it. I can't set my face too much because I'll get like oily as hell. And that's pretty much my everyday makeup routine. I typically do wear earrings, but I lost one. I only have one earring, so I'm probably gonna walk around with one earring. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this wasn't too all over the place. I will be back and very consistent and very, you know, just doing all types of different content. I already have some little car vlogs pre-recorded. I have a lot of different things planned, and I did want to show you guys, I did happen to get the James Charles Morphe palette due to peer pressure from the internet. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a look with that. And also I got my first Kylie lip kit. I tried it on. I hate it. I hate how it feels. I hate the color. I hate the texture. I just hate everything about this. I don't understand the hype. And the only reason why I even got it is because it's physically available in Ulta. If you know me, you know I'm impatient, and I did not want to have to wait 45 business days, and then it's not non-refundable online. So it's just like that. Yeah, that was a reach. But oh. And this e.l.f. lip plumper is everything. Like, my cousin put me on last year. And, oh no, that was earlier this year. And I love it. Well, y'all know what time it is. Well, since you're here already, you may as well watch the next video. Just go ahead and click that thumbnail. Alright.